beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been to my channel, welcome. My name is Mariama and my channel's name is Mariama. Right, so today we're going to do a quick updo. I've got my afro puff, so this is all about lockdown things, just a quick hairstyle so at least you look a bit nice. We're using yarn, acrylic yarn, and then that's the needle. Right, okay, so if you look at the needle, it's not sharp, it's blunt. Literally, it's not sharp, I promise you. I got this from a store, but you can go online and get it. So I saw this technique on YouTube, right? And it's taking me 2 hours to practice it. Literally, it's been stressing me the hell out. I've been so stressed out because I could not get how to start the beginning. So I've managed to do it, if you can see. So what I've done today is a flat twist, but you can do cornrow as well with it. That's a different technique. So hopefully I remember how I started it. Right guys, let's get into the video. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So that's what I've got. Position my hands, and I don't have a mirror, so I'm using the camera as my mirror as well. So yeah, that's it. I think I kind of struggle more with the beginning. I've done this one, so I was trying to kind of remember how to start it again. As you can see, the struggle's real. So this is the finished look. What do you think, guys? So if you know what you're doing, this hairstyle should not take you up to 10 minutes. Trust me, it is an easy hairstyle that you can do to go out. 10 minutes, you look presentable. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you really like this look.